Hi guys!
Hello.
This is a night with a couple of blondes.
I feel like we need to address our hair. So we just did each other's hair, and this is Connor's beautiful work. It's a pigtail braid thing. This is my gorgeous creation. It's in line with some of the newest fashion trends for young males. Okay, so today we are going to do the try not to laugh challenge, like fart style. So on Connor's phone we have downloaded a fart soundboard app, and we're going to listen to each of the farts in this app with water in our mouths. And whoever spits out the water or starts to laugh loses. I'm gonna lose, I can already tell. Okay,
I laugh a lot.
but anyway, and then afterwards we're gonna do one where we each name one of the farts of our choice, and whoever has the funniest name fart combination wins like a bonus of like 5 points or 3 points.
We can just say it's bonus.
3
It's
points.
Props.
Okay, so we're about to do the first fart, and we're both gonna fill our mouths completely with water so that even the slightest laugh will like produce projectiles. So we're both gonna drink, and then Connor's going to push number 1. And keep in mind while we're doing this, I'm already laughing. While we're doing this, be thinking about the name for your funniest one. Okay, ready?
You're already lost.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. So I survived, but I nearly died. Before you pushed the button, it came all through my nose, and I was drowning. So you get 1
I
point.
definitely won that one.
Oh my god, my face burned.
Although,
Okay.
like... Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. We made it! Okay. Next round. far, Connor's winning 2-0. That last one didn't count. But, like, that was so funny. Alright. Last one. This is the grossest thing. So Connor wins. What would that be? 3-1. We both lost that round.
Are you ready? Mm-hmm. I call this one the "but wait, there's more."
I win. So now we're at 4-3. So I'm ready. Go ahead and drink. So this masterpiece will be forever known as Ode to the Commode. Dang it! How did you not get Ode to the Commode funny? That was hilarious. Okay, 4-3. Wait, I won, right?
No.
Oh, you won.
I just got 3 points from that, so 6-4.
Dang it.
So this has been a view from the Splash Zone with a couple of blondes.
Okay. Without laughing, I get 3 points.